Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. Start by unplugging your Dyson DC08 from the power outlet to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws on the back cover of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull off the back cover. This will expose the internal components of your vacuum. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. You can use a soft brush or a vacuum attachment to clean the inside before proceeding. Keeping this area clean is crucial for optimal performance. Now, locate the cable connection point. You should see where the cable is attached to the motor. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the cable clamp holding the wire in place. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the cable is free, you can start to install the new cable. Make sure the new cable matches the specifications of your Dyson DC08 for compatibility. Connect the new cable to the motor, ensuring it's secure. Then, use the cable clamp to hold it in place, tightening it with your flathead screwdriver. Next, let's move on to replacing the filters. Locate the filter compartment, usually found near the cyclone assembly. Remove the old filters and set them aside. If you have any questions about which filters are best for your model, don't hesitate to contact us for guidance. Before inserting the new filters, give the compartment a quick clean to remove any debris. Now, place the new filters into the compartment, making sure they fit snugly. This is essential for maintaining suction power. After replacing the filters, it's time to reassemble the back cover. Align the cover with the main body of the vacuum, ensuring all clips are properly fitted. Replace the screws you previously removed using the Phillips screwdriver, securing the back cover in place. If you find any of these steps challenging or if you prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. It's a convenient way to get your vacuum serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Finally, plug in your Dyson DC08 and turn it on to test if everything is working correctly. Check for any unusual noises or issues. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the cable and filters. For future maintenance, consider regular filter changes and cleanings to prolong the life of your vacuum. And if you ever need repairs, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. Enjoy your clean home with your newly serviced Dyson DC08. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.